Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Hi guys, today we'll take a look at the euro. Yesterday we said that although the bearish wedge pattern was forming that we have talked yesterday, and we said that maybe market still will have some power to show some fluctuations inside the wedge, so maybe another leg up is possible there. But as market has shown just minor bounce out from the support of the wedge line, it has dropped recently. So in general, this is not really a big surprise, because those of you who are following our weekly research probably remember that we have talked about that retracement on euro currency is coming, because there's too many issues that make pressure on euro currency. And first of all, in relation to the safety C data report, so we saw that euro currency stands in overbought territory. So actually, it's too extended long, net long speculative position in the euro currency, and usually it tells about the retracement should happen probably sooner rather than later. Second, that will also continue to press on euro currencies coming elections in Germany. And if you remember the period in elections in France, the before elections, that was some pressure on the euro currency. The after elections, yes, this was a rally, as results were totally matched to expectations and hopes of the investors. But in Germany, it will be the same situation. So as largest economy in the European Union is coming to elections, it will be some careful action among the investors. So they probably will reduce the positions, and we'll see what will happen. That's why we not exclude the chance that market really could continue to move down in the medium-term perspective, but we will see. Actually, the first significant support area stands at 116. This is the first fib level on the weekly monthly chart. But since we're mostly watching for daily analysis, here it's a bit, some other minor patterns exist, and we will talk what we could do today, what will happen today, and see what will happen maybe till the end of this week. So, as you can see on the euro currency, yesterday actually was some kind of the reversal session. It was not at the top, but some kind of market creates the new top, compares to previous session, and close below the lows, so total engulfs this area, this range. So it's really bearish action. Market right now stands at the support, so you can see this is monthly pivot point. Also, this is feature of the euro currency, is the 50% support. So as you know, that euro currency likes 50% levels right now. And take a look, market stands at daily oversold. It means that hardly market will drop right now immediately, only if something outstanding will happen, maybe some unexpected events in geopolitical sphere, something of that sort. But in most cases, market probably will spend some time here and show some minor bounce out from this support. So as you can see, previously when the market tested this oversold, every time it shows minor bounce, at least minor bounce. So here it could happen the same. Actually, guys, by the Jordan-Napoli framework, here we have some kind of the bullish stretch pattern on the euro currency, because it's a combination of the daily oversold with the 50% fib level. So although Jordan-Napoli doesn't use the 50% levels, this is some feature of the euro currency. So that's why we're always watching for 50% levels on the euro currency. And right now we could call it as the bullish stretch. It means that some at least minor retracement here is possible. So that's what we'll be watching for in today's session. In general, in perspective of the longer term, maybe till the end of the week, we could get this kind of the ABCD pattern down. So if we wouldn't have the oversold, I suggest that market could reach it even today and maybe even yesterday. So that's our wedge pattern that has been broken. Here was just minor reaction, bullish engulfing pattern, as you can see, it's dropping. But as oversold condition will be eliminated, market probably will continue action down to complete this ABCD pattern. In general, as you can see, this really very fast acceleration on the CD leg. And by this action, as you can see, CD leg is much faster than AB. It means that probably this pattern should be completed. And this in turn means that we should watch for 1830, 1825 area, the completion of this ABCD at the next short-term target on the euro currency. But as we have the stretch pattern here on the daily, it means that we first will expect some bounce. So, and this creates actually, this combination creates the trading plan for the euro currency, waiting for a bounce up by creating some probably downward continuation pattern. Maybe this Carly triple 2 sell will be formed on the hourly chart or something of that sort. And then searching chance to go short with a downward continuation to the 1825, 1830 area. That's the trading plan that's suggested by current action. If you're a very short-term trader and scalp trader, you could try to take the position on the bullish daily stretch with some upward reaction here, maybe by some reversal, bullish reversal pattern here in the support area. That's also could be done. On the hourly chart, we suggest that the most probable destination point of this retracement stands at 1950 area, because this is confidence resistance on the hourly chart, and this is some kind of the previous consolidation when the market has taken the pulse of the previous drop and shows the meaningful retracement up from this area. So that is the area that market could retest before downward action will continue. So if you have intention to take the long position here, use this area as the potential target for taking the profit. Also, guys, pay attention that euro has dropped below the weekly pivot support one, and it means that this is not just occasional action, it's not just minor retracement within the long-term bull trend, but that's definitely something new now, some new short-term trend maybe, and it means that downward action probably should continue. So that being said, our analysis suggests that first market should show upside retracement. Most probable target stands at 1950, and after that, downward action should continue probably to completion of this ABCD targets. It's approximately 1830, 1825 area.